Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to import CSV files into Asana, a crucial step to streamline your project management process. Step 1. Start by opening Asana and navigating to the project where you want to import your CSV data. This is important because Asana imports data directly into existing projects, helping you keep all related tasks in one place. Now that we've done that, step 2 is to click on the Add Tasks dropdown, then select Import Spreadsheet. The reason we do this is Asana uses CSV files to create new tasks, assignees, and due dates. It's a simple way to bulk upload and organize your tasks efficiently. Next up, step 3 is to select your CSV file from your computer. Be sure your first row includes column headings for clarity. This helps us because Asana will use these headings to map your CSV data to the correct fields in Asana, ensuring an accurate import. After you've selected your file, you'll reach step 4, which is mapping your CSV columns to Asana fields. You'll want to review and confirm the mappings, as this ensures your data populates correctly in your project. Let me explain why this matters. Without accurate mapping, your data could end up in the wrong places, causing confusion and potential project delays. Finally, click on Start Import, and voila! Your data is now being imported. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana is translating your CSV data into tasks, subtasks, assignees, and due dates. It's doing the heavy lifting for you, saving you time and manual input. And that's it. In no time at all, you've learned how to import a CSV file into Asana. Remember, this process is all about enhancing efficiency and productivity in your project management. Thanks for joining us today, and stay tuned for more practical guides.